The Little Albert experiment is a well-known and controversial study conducted by psychologist John B. Watson and his graduate student, Rosalie Rayner, in 1920. The experiment aimed to explore the conditioning of fear responses in humans, particularly in infants. While some consider it to be a groundbreaking study, others criticize its ethical implications and the potential harm caused to the subject. In the experiment, Albert, an 11-month-old infant, was initially presented with a white laboratory rat, and he showed no fear of it. However, Watson and Rayner proceeded to pair the presence of the rat with a loud, jarring noise produced by striking a steel bar with a hammer, creating a sudden and unpleasant sound. This pairing was done repeatedly over several sessions. As a result of this conditioning, Albert began to associate the presence of the rat with the loud noise and developed a fear response. The experimenters then tested whether this fear generalized to other stimuli. Albert exhibited fear not only in response to the rat but also to other similar objects, such as a rabbit, a fur coat, and even a Santa Claus mask. The study is often criticized for several ethical reasons. The potential long-term psychological effects on Albert were not adequately addressed or followed up on. Additionally, the experiment induced fear and distress in an infant without obtaining informed consent from either Albert or his mother. Such ethical concerns highlight the importance of upholding the well-being and rights of human subjects, especially vulnerable populations such as children. The Little Albert experiment has had a lasting impact on the field of psychology, particularly in the study of classical conditioning and fear responses. However, it also serves as a reminder of the ethical responsibilities researchers have towards their subjects and the need for strict ethical guidelines in conducting experiments involving human participants.